I was looking for a good bar table, and this one came with 2 stools. This is everything it comes with. Here's all the pieces. It has the screws and an Allen wrench. So let's go ahead and put this together. I finished building the bar with the 2 stools. Look how nice it looks. I have it right here on my bar. Awesome. Here's my finished bar with the stools. Really easy to put together. I was really impressed on how fast I did it. So look how nice it looks. You could fit it anywhere. I got mine in my bar. So cheers. Hope you enjoy it as much as I do.